Hi and welcome to another unboxing video from Redline, and I am Sabrin. This video is brought to you by Team Group RAM. Team is the preferred RAM brand for overclockers, gamers and enthusiasts worldwide. For more information, check the link below. Welcome to one of the most exciting unboxings to come out this year. What we have here is the Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus GM501 laptop, and I'm not going to lie to you, I am a little nervous right now because this is a really expensive laptop, extremely premium, probably the nicest laptop that we ever unboxed or are going to unbox. So let's just get down to it. So as you can see, the laptop packaging itself is quite large. Fortunately, the laptop itself is quite slim, and you're soon going to see that the Zephyrus line is essentially Asus's flagship line, and it's supposed to bring a mix between high performance as well as really slim, thin design as well as really light construction. But you're going to see why that the actual packaging is this thick soon, because they give a lot of extras with the laptop. So here we go. So first thing that you notice when you open up this box is that only 1/3 of the actual box is taken up by the laptop. The rest is all accessories. We have an Asus ROG backpack, so it's not too big, it's very svelte. Looks like it's a 14-inch backpack, but it's just enough to take the Zephyrus, and the Zephyrus is just that slim, which you'll see soon. So it's got the ROG branding on it, and it's got a black and red color scheme, which is always nice. We get a free headset, and this accessory bundle is mentioned in our price list. It doesn't come separately. They actually give the freebies inside the actual laptop bag itself, so that's pretty nice. So when you're buying a laptop that's this expensive, just for reference, the laptop is currently selling for about 380,000 rupees, which is a lot for a laptop like this, but it's always nice to know that you're going to get a few extras with the thing for the whole experience's sake. So you get an Asus Zephyrus gaming headset, and as you can see, it says exclusive promotion model, not for sale, just so that dealers don't buy this and try to sell it separately. It's pretty much the standard Asus Zephyrus headset that you can find at our store as well for 9,000 rupees, but it's bundled free of charge, which is always nice. I'm not really going to open this, but you've got the standard fare packaging, and there's nothing really that special about the headset apart from the fact that it's very comfortable, it's really high quality, and you're getting it free with your laptop. We have a gaming mouse in here somewhere, which we are going to get to soon, I hope. We have the packaging here, and this is one of the things that I really love about Asus ROG stuff, is that when they bundle stuff in on their high-end products, like everything from their graphics cards to their motherboards, there's these little attention to detail that generally other manufacturers catch up on very late. So right here we have a box. Now I'm not even sure what's inside this box, but look at that. You've got this reflective kind of silverish, I think they call this hollow-ish like finish, and it's got the Republic of Gamers logo. Asus is not mentioned anywhere else, just the Republic of Gamers. Very minimalistic, very svelte. I love it. And you can see you've got like an off-center design to the box, and now we're going to open it. Let's just open this, make sure we don't drop it. And this box is sealed tight. All right, so inside this box we have another freebie, which is, as far as the packaging is concerned, I think this is the Asus ROG Strix Impact gaming mouse, which is a pretty high-end gaming mouse with a lot of features which I'm not completely familiar with, but it has RGB Aura Sync lighting. It's a high-end gaming mouse with a high-end laser sensor, and as you can see, the packaging itself very minimalistic. Just the gray Republic of Gamers branding here. It doesn't exactly mention the model anywhere, but it does say not for sale on the back, just so you know that it's going to be coupled only with the laptop. So this is for promotional material only, but pretty nice considering that you get the backpack, you get the headset, and you get an ROG mouse as well. Not a Cerberus, but an actual ROG mouse. That means it's from their premium line. You have a little divider there, and you have a pretty big, well, not really actually. Considering the power of this laptop, you generally tend to expect a big brick, but this is pretty much the size of the actual power brick, which is quite small, what you'd actually find on a pretty basic Asus laptop, which is nice. It's got the ROG branding etched into it. I'm not going to lie, so far I am absolutely blown away by pretty much everything that I've gotten with this laptop. It's amazing, and we haven't even gotten the laptop yet. So this is the power cable, everything packaged very neatly and nicely. I'm going to put that back, and we'll get to that later. Put this at the back over here. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. We've got the actual laptop here. Now I'm a little nervous. It's a pretty big packaging, as you can see, probably as big as me. So I have to somehow get this laptop out here without, oh god. So I might have needed a hand to take this out just to make sure that I don't drop the actual laptop. So we have the laptop here. So I'm holding in my hand a 375,000 rupee gaming laptop, which honestly I never thought we would sell here at Redline. Well, that's not true. We've actually sold laptops that are more expensive than 375,000, but I've never thought I would actually see a laptop that is this nice and this felt and this packaged, which I am going to have to open now. This is going to be a problem. Bring Kushan here. Alright, so we have the laptop here, and as you can see already, again sticking to the whole very minimalist, absolutely immaculate packaging. We have extremely minimalist packaging. There is no wording anywhere on this pack at all. There is no Asus, there is no ROG, nothing. We just have a red ROG logo, and well, I love that. It just goes to show that the brand knows that you know who they are, and that's all they need for you to identify the laptop. You do have extremely minimalistic Republic of Gamers branding here in very light gray. You can barely see it on the side, and it comes in this very tight cellophane packaging, which we are now going to unwrap. Thank you, Rao. So I'm going to try my best to not actually damage the packaging of the laptop itself. Just proving to be a little difficult. This is an extremely costly video. Let's put that aside so we don't cut anything. Alright, so we've got the cellophane packaging out. I'm going to get the actual packaging. So before I actually get to the actual unpackaging of the laptop, I want you to appreciate the fact that this is a 15.6 inch LED gaming laptop. So you probably have seen a bunch of 15 inch LED, 15 inch screen laptops, and we've pretty much been selling those at Redline for years and years and years. And this is definitely probably one of the slimmest and the smallest I've ever seen as far as gaming laptops are concerned. And this is before I even open the packaging. So let's open it. Alright, so as you can see here, do you see just what just happened here? Like, that is actually part of the packaging mechanism. So as you can see, as you open it up back here, it's got a hinge back here, and it lifts the laptop like this, so you can actually see it. I'm literally having a little moment here. And so that's the laptop. And as you can see, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, before I even get to the laptop, let's just look at the packaging there. Look at that. That's pretty much your packaging right there. This is a little accessory kit with, again, extremely minimalistic hollow Republic of Gamers branding. Opens up neatly over here, and you've got a bunch of little, oh my god, look at this. It's just a bunch of stickers, which you guys are gonna love, which is literally everything on here is a sticker. So you've got like a bunch of Republic of Gamers stickers in all shapes and colors and forms, and you can stick this on your laptop, which I wouldn't recommend, or you can stick it anywhere else, anywhere but your laptop really. Let's see what else we got. We have another super, oh my god, this is like another pack. This is like a Russian nesting doll right now. This is welcome to the Republic of Gamers, really tiny letters. It's a proving ground for the elite, a place where players and teams gather to celebrate camaraderie and gaming excellence. There is no room for mediocrity or weakness here. Wow, that's pretty sick. This is a call to those who dare venture, defy convention, and rebel against conformity. Republic of Gamers is only for those who dare seek the impossible, because hard isn't enough. We're honored to have yet another champion in our ranks. Damn. I feel like a king already, and this doesn't even belong to me. So, wow, look at that. So you have a keychain. And literally this entire packaging was for the keychain. So, yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So you can probably plug this to your belt and plug your keys or anything. Get creative with that one. Let's see, you've got a manual here. You've got the G series gaming notebook PC, first edition February. I think they're both pretty much accessories on how to charge a laptop and little how to manual book, and that's pretty much it. So this is the little docket there, and I cannot emphasize this enough. Literally everything I have touched so far on this laptop is just been screaming quality, and they have literally cut no corners in the production. And just look at this. This is okay. If anyone else is paying attention to this, this is how you make packaging for a laptop. Like, in all fairness, this couldn't have possibly cost them a lot, because they obviously manufacture this laptop in like literally the thousands. But just the little attention to detail and then the design of this, if they could put this into every single laptop, I won't lie, I wouldn't buy any other laptop. This is just amazing. What you are looking at here is the Asus Zephyrus GM501. Just so you guys know, this is not the actual, that was the right direction I was holding it in, by the way. It's not? No, it's not. So this is the Asus Zephyrus M. Just so you guys know, the original Zephyrus is actually called the Zephyrus no M suffix, and it's just the Zephyrus GX501, and that is available only with the GTX 1080 Max-Q, whereas the Zephyrus M comes in both with the GTX 1070 and a 1060. What we have right here is the GTX 1060 version, and that's the version that's going for 380,000 rupees. As you know, most other laptops with 1060s that are gaming laptops nowadays goes for around the price range of about 300 to 320 with this specification. So what you're paying for the extra 60 to 80,000 rupees is just pure build quality and class, and I'm going to run you through a few of the things that you're going to get extra. But this is the laptop right here. So just look at how thin this laptop is. This is already maybe not the thinnest laptop I've come across, but it is definitely one of the best built laptops I have ever held in my hands. It's just so premium, it's hefty. Every square inch of it, everything from like the edges to the finish is just amazing. You've got the word Zephyrus on the back here engraved in. You've got Republic of Gamers, which is like written here in like light gray font. You've got the ROG logo here in a mirror finish, which is engraved into the lid. The lid is just completely metal. They're just metal every square inch. I don't think there's any plastic on this laptop at all. I think just this back piece here, which is covering, I think, the battery, this area is a little plasticky. I think this is plastic, the bottom's plastic, but even that's like a really premium plastic. So as you can see here, these are the exhaust vents on the laptops. They had put it somewhere to exhaust the heat, and we're going to try to open the laptop up now. And as you can see here, we've got the Asus branding in the bottom left, but that's pretty much it. You've got the Asus logo here, which surprisingly enough, the actual word Asus, I think this is one of the very few times I actually saw it on the entire packaging. Republic of Gamers and the ROG logo and the Zephyrus name at the back. That's it. So let's give it a test to see if we can open this laptop with a single hand, which MacBooks can do, and I hope that Asus managed to pull it off, and they did. So as you can see, you guys might have seen it while I opened it, it has that neat little feature that even its packaging had. When you open the Zephyrus, it essentially has a mechanism at the bottom where it actually lifts the bottom up by, I think, about half to 1 inch. I'm going to show this to you guys again. And so what that allows you to do is, the moment you open the laptop, it allows there a greater space down there for ventilation. So it kind of opens up the bottom of the laptop so that there's more area to both take in and exhaust air, so that there's more maybe clearance between the laptop and the bottom, so that you can, you know, game on it for long at cooler temperatures. And they've managed to just do that and then beautifully just meld it with the design of the laptop. So then when the laptop's actually, you know, closed and you're taking it on the go, it's slim, it's swell. And then when you open it, it's got that beautiful, you know, lift off, you know, that tells you that you're ready to game. And one thing I didn't notice here is that they've got these 3 LED lights over here for the battery, for the power, and there is a light bulb. I think that's power, I'm not really sure. One of them could be standby. And those are visible even when the laptop's closed. And I think that's the speaker grill. And as you open it, it's also, this just goes right over that, and you see the hinge mechanism. So I'm going to show you guys the laptop now. So this is a huge speaker grill you've got here. So I'm assuming this entire area is a speaker. I wouldn't know until we turn it on. This is the power button. So they've gone with the power button front and center. I guess they could have put it onto the side, but you know, that's not that big a deal. We've got a slightly off-center trackpad, which is 1 piece, so no 2-piece or 3-piece trackpad, which I think is very nice. And as you can see, they've got really nice font and slightly concave keys. which I also think is interesting because this is something that people might love or hate, and it's concave in certain areas, so it might really hug your fingers as you type on them. We've got a few dedicated media buttons here. We've got a lower volume, increase volume, mute, mic mute, and an ROG button, which I'm not really sure what it does, but I am pretty sure it has something to do with performance. We've got just very few minimalist stickers. We've got HDMI sticker, Core i7 8 Gen sticker, NVIDIA GTX sticker, and an Energy Star sticker. I would have really liked that Energy Star sticker to have not been there, because it kind of ruins like the cleanness of the laptop. To be honest, I wouldn't have minded them actually not putting the stickers on the laptop at all. But that's just me. I'm a stickler for minimalism. You've got a webcam at the top. You've got this 15.86-inch screen. Not the slimmest screen in the sense that nowadays edge to edge is kind of a thing, so Asus really haven't done that here, but you know, can't ask for everything. But comparatively smaller bezels on the side, a little chunky at the top and the bottom, but really when a laptop looks this good, doesn't really matter. You got the ROG mirror finish again on the logo on the front, as you can see here, very minimalist. I'm pretty sure the keyboard's RGB backlit, so you've got that going for it. I'm going to show you guys the I/O now. And we have got one USB 3 port here. We've got USB Type-C, which is also a Thunderbolt port, I am fairly certain. You've got additional exhaust vents on the sides for heat output. You've got the Kensington lock. And looking at the left side of the laptop, we have a combined microphone and headphone jack. We have 3 USB 3 ports. Yep, that's 3. That's pretty awesome. You've got a full-size HDMI port, and you also have a DC IN, which is the power input. So we've got the power port smack in the middle of the side, which is a little unconventional, but it's okay. As you might have noticed, there is no Ethernet port on this, but I'm pretty sure that you would probably be able to find a USB to Ethernet adapter. Also, I feel like someone who's buying this laptop is probably not going to be using it with Ethernet. It's one of those very rare extreme niche cases that probably also thought themselves, okay, we're going to put this in or leave it out. It might affect the size of the laptop, and they chose to keep it out, which is, I'm 100% okay with that. Like, I feel like it has all the connectivity we need. We're not going to turn the laptop on today because this is really an unboxing, and that's pretty much all we have to show you. So as you can see, this is just going to be a final run through of the laptop. This is the front, and it's got this beautiful brushed metal finish that just looks amazing. And it's got this slightly, you know, it's not really noticeable, but it's got this like slight angle here that runs down the middle of the laptop, just giving that slightly angled look. And you've got that mirror ROG finish, which I love. And these are the sides. As you can see, all of this is just super premium, and it's flush, and the design and attention to detail is just amazing. You've got the rear here, and you've got the side on this side, and this is pretty much the front of the laptop. And I'm not going to lie to you, this is by far one of the nicest laptops that we have ever unboxed or seen at Redline. So this particular laptop is only going for 380,000 rupees, and we actually have ready stocks right now. And we also have the version of this laptop that comes with the GTX 1070, and it is a little pricey. Both of these laptops are going for 380 and 460,000 rupees respectively. A little bit on the pricey side, but in my personal opinion, I feel like it's money well spent. If you want a laptop that stands out of the crowd and just forgoes all of the unnecessary bling and size, and it just gets the job done, and it's just elegant and absolutely minimalistic and beautiful in the process, the Zephyrus is one of those laptops, and I've been looking forward to this for literally months, if not more than a year, ever since the laptop came down to actually see it. And now I'm seeing it, I'm looking at it, and it has literally blown my mind. So thanks for watching, guys. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. I want to see you guys share this so that more people can see how laptops should be. And really, like, Asus killed it on the packaging. Like, this is how packaging for laptops should be. So please share this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Peace.